Well, today, one of the things I've been talking about is starting to do stuff on the Ford Fusion Sport. So today, I don't know if you probably can't read that, but I'm going to install an oil catch can from Steeda on the 2017 Ford Fusion. So if you're interested in that, stick around. Okay, so what I'm going to use for this is I got the stock PCV pipe. I'm going to take off the connectors, and that's the part number KCV 288 GB 876A664-A. And all right, this is what's in the Steeda kit. Comes with the catch can, which I haven't opened yet, as you can tell, which is quite a nice piece. No instructions though. The connectors that thread in to the cup, and clamps, and then a piece of gates that I'll have to make the connection with. So I think that it also has the little filter section that goes in one of these holes. I don't know which one. They're both threaded, so I'll have to figure that out. All right, the first thing we have to do then is take the engine cover off. All right, and there is the PCV crankcase ventilation that we're going to put the catch can on right there. So right there it is. There's the hose. So I am going to take that one off compared to the one I have to make sure I got the right cable or the right hose. In order to take it off, there's a little clip there, and so you can see how it works. You pull on that and it should pop straight off. Hopefully that helps. Maybe I can zoom in a little bit more. Try this again. So it focuses. See this right here? This clip on the thing, pull it back so it comes off. Let's see if I can do it now. You pull that clip. It's real easy. You can feel it disengage, then it comes straight off. Don't break the thing, but you see how it works. And then this one rotates. Pull it up, and then it comes straight off. And in the hose, there's already a ton of yucky stuff. So I think this is a good this is definitely a good upgrade for the vehicle. All right, I plan to keep the new hose in the glove box in case we got to change it. Okay, the first thing is I'm going to cut the connectors off of the old hose. So do this carefully. This is probably the most dangerous part. It's usually what I would cut myself on. So like I said, this way it'll be much easier using the factory connections. But so you don't have to hang out. And then I'm gonna assemble the catch can and cut the hose and put it all back together. So when I get it all done, I should have this in place of these, and we'll go from there. So see you in a minute. There you go. Just gotta tighten up the hose clamps.